Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 20, and today I'm going to show you how to use the media components in Bootstrap. Alright, these are special classes that are dedicated for media. It's gonna help you make media look better in your site, function better. It's gonna be an awesome tutorial and very short and sweet. So keep attention, alright? All right, for those of you that want to do everything like me, I understand you. I want to do everything like me. You can install Sublime Text 2 and the Emmet plugin just to write code a little faster, right? Actually, a lot faster. For those of you that don't have this option of Sublime Text, you can install Notepad++, which is free for Windows, and the Text Wrangler, which is free for Mac users. And for those of you out there that want to download exercise files, and I understand, you can go to my website, thewebsiteboy.com/snippets. And guess what? You can also watch the tutorials at my website. That's cool, right? But anyway, for those of you out there that see this thumbs up, don't forget to click it if you like my videos. I mean, this means the world to me, right? And I appreciate it very much. For those of you out there that want to navigate my course, this is how you do it. You can click the next for the next video and the for the previous videos, right? You can also subscribe to my channel immediately. And every time I upload one of my videos, guess what? You get an email automatically to your email box. That is cool. For those of you out there that like my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are my world. You make more videos every single day, all right? You wake me up in the morning and you keep me awake at nighttime. Thank you so much. Let's continue with the tutorial. All right, so I got the browser here on the left side open with my index.php, and I got on the right hand side I have the file, the code editor open with the index.php and the other files in there, right? So what I want to do is a save as on whatever page is inside includes. I don't care what it is because we're gonna make a new file there. Because what I want to do is take this off first. I want to take this off, and then below this, I'm going to add another component with a picture on the right and some text hanging or floating. A picture floated to the right and with some text around the picture, right? So let's do that right now. So I'm going to do a save as on this file first of all. And I'm going to call this about, actually make this about the meetings, all right? So, and then we're going to take all these off, and let's start writing our content here. All right, so let's first make an article, right? Article tag in there, HTML5, and let's just give it a class too. I need to give it a class because we're gonna be using something called media components. And I'll show you right now. This is what we are going to use, and the reason why we're using this is that way we can organize media in our website a lot better. This allows us to build various it allows us to build various types of components like blog comments, tweets, etc. You can see that we can style it however we want. It's pretty cool. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. That's why I looked it up on Bootstrap. There are always better ways of putting pictures in our sites, especially with Bootstrap. So about the meetings is gonna be the class that I'm making myself because I'm gonna target this later on, and I need to give it a Bootstrap class of media. All right, so that's the Bootstrap class. Inside here, I'm just gonna put an H2, and I'm gonna say about the meetings. All right, and also going to add the picture with a link, and here is gonna go to something called the meetings, another page, meetings.php, and we are gonna be making that later on. I'm gonna see. I just wanted to have something there. I don't know if I'm gonna name it like this, but that's what we got it for now, right? And then we're gonna put a picture here of, and then we're gonna use placehold.it uh, to get the picture. Placehold.it. We're gonna make the picture around 150 width wide and 250 long. All right, and then we're gonna put some text around it. So let's use an ampersand text, some equal, and then what we want to write. We're gonna be writing something called meetings, or capital, right? And this is just in case our picture doesn't show. And for Google, photo of meetings. All right. So now that we got that done there, let's go ahead and add a element with a class of media. And we need it. This is Bootstrap. All right. Bootstrap classes. So media body, right? Because we want this text to float to certain positions when we want to, where we want it to. All right. So we're gonna add a paragraph with some Lauren Ibsen in there, and you can copy from your index if you want, if you still have some there, and or make it like I am making it with Sublime. This is just in case you don't have Lauren Ibsen. Let's make another paragraph, and this I'm gonna actually put a class of, because I want to hide this. This is too much information already on the screen for a phone. So let's add a class of hidden, and then just make it extra small. There's Lauren Ibsen there. All right. So this looks like it's about ready. All right. Let's see how that looks on the. We can't do that yet, right? Because we haven't included it with our PHP yet. So this is how it looks now, but we need to take this off. This is a sidebar actually. Right here, if I expand it, you can see the sidebar. I don't want to have this text in there no more. It's an inconvenience for me to have this down here and showing. So I'm gonna take it off and refresh. Now it's not there, so that way you can see what I'm doing. All right. So what I want to do is below the speakers component, we're gonna add another component, and this is gonna be called about the meetings. Let's rename this right here. Hopefully I'm spelling this wrong, right. If I'm spelling it wrong, there's gonna be a lot of misspells out there. Refresh, and now you can see the image that we made right now, and it's floating to the left with some text in the bottom. All right, this is gonna happen if we don't actually use another class from Bootstrap. We want to flow this to the right and have these text wrapping around the image, kind of. All right, so let's go here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna target that link, because that's the parent of this image, right? And we're gonna say class pull right. Remember that from the first tutorials on Bootstrap. Refresh, and now as you can see, we have that text wrapping around there. Beautiful, isn't it? Right? And then we have that paragraph hiding. That second paragraph is hiding. When we go like this, it's gone. So small devices will not see it, as you can see there. And this aligned really nice. If we have real nice images here, this will look very nice, by the way. The slide is gone too. Remember that it doesn't, you can't look at it in phone, in small devices. So, I think we are doing a pretty good process here. We have a pretty good solid foundation with Bootstrap and PHP, and this is just gonna get a lot better as we go. All right. So keep watching, keep learning, keep going. The more you learn, the more value you have. The smarter you get with web development, the more money you're gonna have. All right. So keep doing it. Don't give up. I know sometimes it's hard to be watching this tutorial, but this is the best. Uh, you're growing yourself as a person, and you're growing yourself as a professional. So good luck with everything. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a like, and share it with your friends, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And it just takes 1 second, and it makes a world of difference to a lot of people. And you know to you, as you doing your part in helping also. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Good luck.